Here I'm going to describe how can update our laptop drivers, checking warranty details or anything related to our laptop. First of all, welcome back to Kitech Bidhan Softwares. Okay, first I'm checking my laptop warranty details. For this, I'm using Dell official websites because I'm using Dell laptop. If you're using other laptops, you can find it official website of it. Okay, let us start. This is Dell official website. Here is more options you can see. We have to go support menu option and select Bondi contact. Finally, you got this page. This section is automatically identified my laptop. Otherwise, here is a search support section. You can enter your service tag or product ID here. If you don't know the ID, you can find it on behind your laptop. I'm entering my service tag here and search. Then you can see my laptop model and warranty details. My warranty details are expired. Okay, now we are in overview tab. Go to drivers and downloads tab. You can driver updates from here. Here there are two sections, one for check for update and other is find driver manually. Check for update means it'll automatically find driver updates for you. I will tell you later and go to the next session. There is a manually find a specific driver for your Inspiron 5570. That means my laptop. Okay, find drivers, expand here. You can see list of items here, list of drivers here. That's for my laptop Inspiron 5570. Okay, I can search manually any driver from here or show all drivers from here, and I can download it manually separately each drivers or can select multiple items from here. Okay, once it download, I can install the packages. When we have to choose multiple items, you can see on the top side how much file we are selected and how much size we need to require to install. Okay, then we have to back the check for update section. Actually, it's a Dell application that install in your laptop. It's automatically check any driver updation coming or not. It will notify us to install the latest update of driver. Okay, then let's wind up here. Thank you for watching.